Hey guys! So I am Akansha and this is my first face cam video, so hope you like it. And today I am going to talk about how to be productive. So for the last 3 months I am working from home, so I know how hard it is to work when no one is pressuring you, no one is watching you, you are free and all. So I have some tips for you. So let's start. Be mentally prepared. You can't just decide at 4 in the evening that let's be productive today. At least I can't. I have to be prepared from the start of the day, be motivated and all planned. So mentally prepare yourself from the night before and do everything that motivates you. To-do list. I know it's obvious, but it's important. Don't make a list of 100 things, just 2 or 3 important things which you have to do. Fix time. Make a fix 1 hour weekly or 15 minutes daily to do things which you always postpone, like cleaning or dusting. Decide your time. We all have a time which we are most productive. For some it's midnight or early morning. For me it's after breakfast and before lunch. And I do everything within that time so that I get more things done. So and find your idle time, it will help you a lot. The 10-minute rule. Put a timer of 10 minutes and start working for that time. Just start. Sometimes I complete my work within that time. Some days I just leave after the timer gets off. And some days I keep working even after the timer gets off. Either way, you have some things done. Main work first. Start with the most important and the most toughest thing first, so that it's out of the way and you can proceed with free mind. Hang out there. Hear me out. Be there where you have to get things done. Like I open my laptop and sit with my phone there. Maybe after 10 minutes, 15 minutes, I start working. It's like fake it till you make it. I hope you understand what I'm trying to say. So yeah guys, this is all for this video. Hope you like it. If you like it, give it a thumbs up and comment down below what video you want to see next. And subscribe to my channel. I post every Friday. Bye.